So we are continuing. We have to add in the fluid job, we have to add in the additional pressures, set the plug. So we can go maybe up to 1200 psi, and then they're asking you for, if it's formable, you can schedule that it's formable. If it's not, you leave it that is not formable. So you have to test it in the lab. So we come here and try to see. See the values, it still has issues with this. Our spacer, our cement. So as we are waiting, the software is trying to calculate and then give you the results. So those are our results for our ECD. As you can see, this is ECD per volume. So these are not high volumes, not actual volumes, but this is how we do it. So you can also calculate the wellhead surface pressure from here. You can see the fluid positioning from here. The green is for this color is for yellow is for mud. So you're seeing where mud is in the active sense. So you can also see the fluid schematic. So you see that we have a spacer inside there, we have mud outside here, and then it's the cement job. So you can do for all the other ones, swab and surge, just by doing a similar thing. This should be an animation that you should be able to play. You can click on play, and then you see how the spacer runs in from the top up to the bottom of our well. So this is how fast we've been able to complete our tasks for Wellplan, basing on the fact that you are able to train with the previous ones. So otherwise, I'd like to thank you for completing the training in Wellplan. Please practice with swab and a balanced hydraulics, well control, BHA dynamics, stack pipe. If you get stuck, you can always send me a message. Thank you very much.